Dream of a motorcycle that's both unbreakable and budget-friendly? Well, you're in luck. We've uncovered 10 reliable workhorses of the road, all under $5,000. Yeah, that'll keep you riding for years to come. From legendary Japanese engineering to surprising European contenders, these bikes redefine affordable durability. And here's a teaser. Our list includes a dark horse that'll shock you with its longevity. Number 7 might just change everything you thought you knew about budget bikes. Ever wondered how German engineering could fit into your budget? The BMW G310R brings premium motorcycling to the affordable segment. This little beamer, priced at around $4,845, offers a compact cockpit of precision without cutting corners. Packed with features like an inverted fork and Brembo-designed brakes, it's as if BMW shrunk their engineering prowess into a budget-friendly package. The heart of this German machine is a 313cc single-cylinder engine, tuned for a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. It's peppy enough for experienced riders while remaining manageable for newcomers. The G310R lives up to the BMW name with impressive fit and finish. Its reliability rating of 8.5 out of 10 speaks volumes, with one owner remarking, "It feels like a true BMW, just in a smaller package." Over 77% of owners say they'd buy it again, proving BMW hasn't sacrificed quality for affordability. While some riders have reported minor electrical issues and occasional fuel system hiccups, they're generally easily addressed with regular maintenance. These minor drawbacks are a small price to pay for German engineering on a budget. The G310R offers a taste of premium motorcycling that won't break the bank, making it a solid choice for riders seeking high-end features in an entry-level package. Despite its entry-level status, owners rave about the G310R's quality, saying it feels every bit a BMW. It's clear that this little beamer doesn't disappoint, offering a perfect blend of accessibility and premium feel for those looking to enter the world of German motorcycles. For our next bike, do you think adventure bikes are reserved for big budgets and experienced riders? The Kawasaki Versys-X 300 begs to differ. This pint-sized powerhouse is rewriting the rules of what's possible in the world of budget-friendly motorcycles. Let's take a closer look at how Kawasaki has managed to pack so much adventure into such an affordable package. At the heart of the Versys-X 300 lies a 296cc parallel twin liquid-cooled engine. Now this peppy power plant, like a nimble cheetah, turns out around 39 horsepower. That's more than enough oomph to handle both city commutes and light off-road excursions. Plus, this little engine sips fuel at an impressive rate of about 70 miles per gallon, covering some serious distance without constant fill-ups. The Versys-X 300 tips the scales at just 385.9 pounds, making it a nimble dance partner on various terrains. Now its lightweight chassis contributes to excellent maneuverability, whether you're weaving through rush-hour traffic or tackling a rugged trail. With 7.1 inches of ground clearance, it's ready for light off-road adventures. Owner testimonials rave about the Versys-X 300's comfort during extended rides. The well-padded seat and tall windscreen provide excellent wind protection for long highway stretches. Many riders praise the bike's ability to handle light off-road conditions, though some wish for more power in challenging terrain. Here's a fun fact. The Versys-X 300 has earned quite a reputation for reliability in adventure riding conditions. Many owners report minimal issues even after long-term use, which is music to the ears of budget-conscious adventurers. Well, reliability isn't just for adventure bikes. The Honda Rebel 300 might surprise you with its hidden strengths. This entry-level cruiser is breaking the mold of what many riders expect from a stylish, laid-back machine. Honda's engineering philosophy emphasizes durability and low-maintenance costs in the Rebel 300. Its simple yet effective mechanical layout minimizes potential failure points. For example, the bike's air-cooled engine reduces complexity compared to liquid-cooled systems, making it easier to maintain and less prone to issues. The Rebel 300 boasts impressive fuel economy of about 67 miles per gallon, allowing riders to cover more ground between fill-ups. This efficiency, combined with its straightforward design, makes it a budget-friendly option for both city commuting and longer rides. One rider, Sarah, shared her experience. "I've had my Rebel 300 for 2 years now. With just regular oil changes and basic upkeep, it's been incredibly reliable. I've never had to worry about complex repairs or unexpected breakdowns." And while no bike is perfect, the Rebel 300's minor quirks, like occasional electrical glitches or seat comfort on long rides, well, they're generally manageable. The bike's accessible design, with a low seat height of 27.2 inches, welcomes a wide range of riders. This approachability, coupled with its low-maintenance nature, instills confidence in new riders while providing a dependable ride for more experienced motorcyclists. The Rebel 300's simplicity is a huge plus for new riders who might not have extensive mechanical knowledge. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a reliable cruiser, the Honda Rebel 300 offers a compelling blend of style, efficiency, and durability. Now, if you're enjoying this breakdown of the best budget motorcycles, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest motorcycle insights. Let's keep going on with our next bike. Are you ready for a surprise? The Triumph Street Twin is about to challenge everything you thought you knew about British motorcycles. This classic-looking beauty hides a secret that's shaking up the reliability ratings. Beneath its timeless exterior, the Street Twin boasts a robust build quality and minimal electronic components, contributing to its impressive durability. It's the perfect choice for riders who want reliability without the complexity of modern, tech-heavy bikes. Many owners report clocking over 30,000 miles without major issues, a feat that's impressive for any motorcycle in its class. Triumph's commitment to modern engineering techniques has enhanced durability without sacrificing that classic look that we all love. The secret? Rigorous testing and quality construction that have paid off big time. The Street Twin has achieved a reliability score that places it among the most underrated reliable bikes in its category. Now, when you think about British bikes, you might picture vintage machines that spend more time in the garage than on the road. But the Street Twin is here to shatter that stereotype. Triumph has been quietly revolutionizing their engineering, and the results are certainly turning heads. Expert reviews often highlight that the Street Twin is frequently overlooked in reliability discussions. Historical biases against British motorcycles have been hard to shake, but the numbers don't lie. This bike is changing the game, often outperforming its Japanese counterparts and redefining what riders can expect from a British motorcycle. Well, moving from British classics to Austrian innovation, the KTM 390 Duke challenges the notion that budget-friendly can't be exciting. This compact powerhouse delivers thrills and dependability without breaking the bank. The KTM 390 Duke's 373cc single-cylinder engine reaches speeds of up to 106 miles per hour, impressive for its price range. But can it handle urban environments too? Absolutely. Riders love its lightweight frame and agile handling, making it a dream to navigate tight city streets and crowded areas. KTM has prioritized reliability in the Duke 390's design, minimizing potential failure points and enhancing long-term durability. This makes it a solid choice for both new riders and experienced enthusiasts seeking a dependable daily ride. The Duke 390 boasts a high-tech cockpit with a thin-film transistor or TFT display, providing clear information and Bluetooth connectivity for music and navigation. It's like having a smartphone integrated into your ride, enhancing the experience without compromising on the basics. With fuel efficiency around 70 miles per gallon, the Duke 390 is economical for daily commutes and longer rides. Performance, technology, and practicality combine to make the Duke 390 a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. While maintenance is straightforward, with many owners finding routine upkeep manageable without extensive mechanical knowledge, it's the thrilling ride that truly sets this bike apart. From nimble city riding, we now venture into rugged terrain with a Royal Enfield Himalayan. This motorcycle isn't just named after formidable mountains, it's built to conquer them. Like scaling Himalayan heights, it tackles some of the toughest landscapes on Earth while maintaining reliability, all for under $5,000. How does it manage this feat? Well, the Himalayan is designed specifically for adventure riding, with a robust build that handles everything from city streets to challenging trails. Its 411cc single-cylinder engine is simple and durable, often cruising past 20,000 miles before needing major service. This longevity showcases Royal Enfield's commitment to creating a dependable machine for budget-conscious explorers. The Himalayan's rugged design features 8.6 inches of ground clearance and a 31.5-inch seat height, ready to take on obstacles that would challenge other budget bikes. Its reinforced chassis and grippy tires provide stability on varied terrains, making it equally at home on paved roads and off-road adventures. In real-world conditions, riders have successfully completed long-distance trips in extreme environments without significant issues. The Himalayan boasts impressive fuel economy, about 65 miles per gallon, and a 4.5-gallon tank, allowing it to keep going long after others have stopped for fuel. While some owners report occasional transmission problems, particularly with first-gear engagement, the Himalayan's overall performance and durability make it a solid choice for adventurers on a budget, ready to overcome real-world challenges. From transmission quirks to dual sport dominance, we now shift gears to a bike that blurs the line between street and trail. Enter the Suzuki Z400, a versatile machine that's equally at home on dirt paths and city streets. This two-wheeled Swiss Army knife excels in diverse environments without sacrificing reliability. The Z400's thoughtful design and robust construction are key to its success. Suzuki has crafted a lightweight frame that's both nimble and durable, allowing riders to navigate tight urban corners and rough off-road terrain with confidence. Just picture yourself weaving through city traffic one moment, then tackling a rocky trail the next. The Z400 handles both with ease. Owner testimonials paint a picture of exceptional durability. Many riders report over 30,000 miles of trouble-free riding, often achieving around 60 miles per gallon. Maintenance is straightforward, with routine tasks like oil changes and chain adjustments easily performed by owners. Now, this not only saves money, but also fosters a deeper connection between rider and machine. While the Z400 isn't without its occasional quirks, these minor challenges are generally considered part of the charm of owning a versatile dual sport. The responsive suspension system adapts seamlessly to various surfaces, ensuring a smoother ride whether you're cruising down a highway or navigating off-road terrain. Overall, the Suzuki Z400 proves that reliability, versatility, and economy can all indeed go hand in hand. Now from dual sport versatility, we now shift gears to a bike that challenges modern motorcycle design conventions. The Yamaha SR400 presents a compelling case for simplicity in an age of high-tech motorcycles, asking if the key to unbreakable dependability lies in stripping away complexity. The SR400's minimalist design stands in stark contrast to today's overcomplicated bikes. By reducing potential failure points, Yamaha has created a machine that's easier to maintain and less prone to issues. This straightforward engineering approach means routine maintenance is simple and cost-effective, appealing to budget-conscious riders who prioritize reliability. At the heart of the SR400 is its air-cooled engine, a design choice that minimizes maintenance requirements. This allows for a more straightforward upkeep routine without specialized tools or knowledge. It's Yamaha's commitment to creating a bike that's as dependable as it is accessible. The SR400's reliability shines through in its performance. Riders report clocking over 30,000 miles without significant issues, showcasing its long-term durability. This performance, combined with its moderate price point, puts the SR400 in a league of its own. Yamaha has struck a balance between classic styling and modern reliability. The SR400 offers a vintage aesthetic without sacrificing performance or dependability, proving that a trustworthy and enjoyable ride doesn't require the latest gadgets. From vintage charm, we now shift gears to a bike that's redefining beginner-friendly riding. The Kawasaki Ninja 250R challenges everything you thought you knew about entry-level motorcycles. So, what makes this sport bike a hidden gem for new riders? The Ninja 250R has earned a reputation as a go-to choice for riding schools and newcomers alike. Its 249cc parallel twin engine delivers the perfect mix of power and manageability, exciting enough to keep things interesting without overwhelming new riders. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Many riders report clocking over 30,000 miles with minimal issues. That's impressive longevity for a sporty bike that can carve up twisty roads with ease. The lightweight frame and low seat height make it a breeze to handle, even for those still getting comfortable on two wheels. While no bike is perfect, the Ninja 250R's quirks are generally easy to address. Some owners mention minor electrical issues or carburetor tuning, but these don't impact the bike's overall reliability. It's as if Kawasaki designed it knowing new riders might not always treat it perfectly. The Ninja 250R sips fuel at 60 to 70 miles per gallon, perfect for budget-conscious beginners looking to maximize their riding time. It's a bike that grows with you, offering the thrill of a sport bike with the practicality needed to build your skills and confidence on two wheels. And for our last bike, the Honda CB350 is a secret weapon for riders seeking legendary reliability without breaking the bank. This unassuming machine has earned a near-perfect dependability score of 9.2 out of 10 from motorcycle enthusiasts and experts alike, making it an exceptional choice for budget-conscious riders. Honda's engineering philosophy is the key to the CB350's remarkable reliability. The bike features a simple yet effective design that minimizes potential failure points, reducing the chances of breakdowns and making maintenance a breeze. Now this approach not only enhances the bike's longevity, but also contributes to owner satisfaction. The proof of the CB350's reliability is in the real-world performance. Many owners report clocking over 30,000 miles without significant issues, whether commuting daily or embarking on long-distance tours. This impressive mileage is a testament to Honda's commitment to engineering excellence. Expert reviews consistently praise the CB350 for its robust build quality and low maintenance costs. And the bike's user-friendly design doesn't just make it reliable, it also makes it easy for riders to understand and to maintain, further extending its lifespan. So for those riders who want to spend more time on the road and less time in the shop, the Honda CB350 is an incredibly attractive option. It combines bulletproof dependability with affordability, delivering a bike that performs efficiently and lasts for years. This combination of reliability, ease of maintenance, and budget-friendly pricing makes the CB350 a true standout in the motorcycle world. Now, these 10 motorcycles prove that reliability and affordability can coexist, challenging the notion that dependable rides require deep pockets. With the average new motorcycle price around $11,000 in 2024, these bikes offer exceptional value at less than half the cost. As manufacturers focus on improving durability and reducing maintenance costs, we can expect this trend to continue. Upcoming models like the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 and the Honda NX500 promise modern features at budget-friendly prices. The future of affordable, reliable motorcycles looks bright. Have you ridden any of these bikes or similar budget-friendly options? Also, if you found this list helpful, don't forget to like the video and drop your comments below on which bike caught your attention the most. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle content.